All right, good day, guys, and welcome. We have this question from JAM 1988, question 24, where we are asked to simplify 4a squared minus 49b squared divided by 2a squared plus 5ab minus 7b squared. Dive into this quickly by writing solution. Write solution. Then we need to take note of the following fact before proceeding. One, we need to take note of the fact that our numerator is a difference of 2 squared. That is, it involves situations where x squared, y squared equal to bracket open x minus y, bracket close, bracket open x plus y, bracket close. Next, we need to take note of the fact that our denominator is a trinomial, or it involves trinomial expression. Therefore, we have our expression 4a squared minus 49b squared divided by 2a squared plus 5ab minus 7b squared at our denominator. Now, from our denominator, we'll take note of the fact that a is equal to 2 or plus 2. Our value for b is equal to plus 5, while our value for c is equal to minus 7. Now, meaning the fact that our a is not equal to 1, we look for the value of AC is a 2 times bracket open minus 7 gives us this gives us minus 14. Now, having our value for AC as minus 14, we look for the factors of minus 14 that when added together gives us our value for B, which is plus 5. Now, these factors of minus 14 that gives us plus 5 are plus 7 and minus 2, because plus 7 times minus 2 gives us minus 14, while plus 7 plus minus 2 gives us plus 5. Therefore, our expression for a square, in place of 4, we can write 2. We can decide to write 2 for me. Let's erase this out. Now, in place of 4, we write 2. So we have bracket open, 2a, bracket close, square, minus, while in place of a 49, we write a 7. So we can square all, 7b, all squared, divided by, at our denominator, we have 2a squared, we have plus 7, remember plus 7, ab, minus 2ab, minus 7b squared. Knowing this, proceed further. At our numerator, we have 2a squared, all in brackets, minus bracket open, 7b squared is a difference of 2 square expression, and this becomes bracket open, 2a minus 7b, bracket close, bracket open, 2a plus 7b, bracket close, divided by, our denominator, we factor out a from 2a squared plus 7ab, factor out a, we have a bracket, left with 2a plus 7b, bracket close, we factor out minus b from minus 2ab minus 7b squared, factor out minus b. So we have minus b bracket open, 2a plus 7b, all in bracket closed. This leads us to bracket open, 2a minus 7b, bracket close, bracket open, 2a plus 7b, bracket close, divided by bracket open, 2a plus 7b, bracket close, bracket open, a minus b, bracket closed. Now, 2a plus 7b at our numerator cancels out 2a plus 7b at our denominator. This cancels out this. We're left with bracket open, 2a minus 7b, bracket close, divided by bracket open, a minus b, bracket close, as our final answer. Thank you.